Would you buy this? Because this is the all-new Ferrari Luce. And yeah, Ferrari officially went electric. And honestly, I never thought I'd say that sentence. This is Ferrari's first fully electric production car, and you can immediately tell they didn't want this to feel like just another EV. The whole car still looks dramatic, low, aggressive, but at the same time, much more futuristic than a normal Ferrari. It almost feels like Ferrari mixed a hypercar with a luxury GT car. And the numbers are completely crazy. Over 1,000 horsepower 0 to 100 in around 2.5 seconds. Top speed over 310 kilometers per hour. So even without a V8 or V12, this thing is still brutally fast. Power comes from a massive 122 kilowatt-hour battery pack with around 530 kilometers of range. And that's important because Ferrari clearly wants this car to feel like a real Grand Tourer too, not just a drag race EV. But this is probably the most interesting part, the sound. Because Ferrari knows people are worried about EVs losing emotion. So instead of adding fake speaker noises like some companies, they created a system that amplifies the real mechanical sounds coming from the electric motors themselves. And honestly, that's actually kind of cool. Inside, the whole cabin feels much more futuristic than current Ferraris. Massive OLED displays, digital interfaces everywhere, rear passenger screens. But Ferrari still kept physical controls and a driver-focused layout. And personally, I think that's the smart move. Because some EV interiors are becoming too minimal, while this still feels special and dramatic. But here's where the real debate starts. Can a fully electric Ferrari still feel like a Ferrari? Because for a lot of people, Ferrari was always about the engine sound, the emotion, the vibration, the whole theater of driving. And now suddenly, all of that changes. And of course, the price is insane too. Reports say this thing could cost over €500,000. So yeah, definitely not competing with your local Tesla Model 3. The interesting part is that Ferrari isn't trying to copy Tesla, Porsche, or anyone else here. This feels more like Ferrari trying to protect its identity while entering the electric era. Fast, exclusive, emotional, just in a completely different way. So tell me in the comments, would you actually buy a fully electric Ferrari?